Ever notice your steering getting jerky? Kind of like it is fighting you. Or maybe the engine stumbles and almost dies when you are turning into a parking spot. That is not just bad luck. It is a sign that your power steering system and your engine are not communicating properly. This brings us to code P0554, which stands for Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit, Intermittent ... You might wonder, why does the power steering need to talk to the engine computer? Well, when you turn the steering wheel, especially at low speeds, the power steering pump works hard, which puts a heavy physical load on the engine. To prevent the engine from stalling under this extra weight, the pressure sensor tells the computer, "Hey, we are turning, give us a little more power." The computer then bumps up the idle slightly. When this code pops up, that signal is cutting in and out. The computer does not know when to compensate, leading to those erratic idles or stalling issues. Since this is an intermittent code, it can be tricky. My first move is always the simplest one. Check your power steering fluid level. If it is low, the pressure fluctuates, confusing the sensor. Also, look closely at the sensor itself, which is usually on the high pressure line near the pump or rack. I have seen countless times where the sensor leaks internally, pushing power steering fluid right through the sensor body and into the electrical connector. If you unplug the connector and find oil inside, that is your problem right there. The oil interferes with the electrical signal. You will need to clean the connector thoroughly and replace the leaking sensor. Also, check the wiring harness. Since these sensors are in the engine bay, wires can rub against metal parts or get melted by heat. Even though the severity is listed as low because the car still drives, ignoring it puts strain on your engine and makes driving unpleasant. It is usually a wiring fix or a simple sensor swap, so it is worth tackling this weekend to get your smooth steering back.